Good morning, Mars. Kumusta na kayo, Mars? Grabe ang days ni Maring Queenie. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kay dito lang kami ni Mixo sa bahay. Ay, yung ano pala, yung kebab na nakuha natin, kailangan namin anhin yun ni Pars. Magtanggal na kami ba? Kay pinalambot muna namin. Dahil sobrang tigas nun. So, plan namin ni Pars. Ilagay namin sa mga plastic. Tapos, ipamelt na naman. Kay ano yan siya, Mars? Half cook na yan. Kaya wala man tayo nung tube mga Mars na oven ba? Dapat dun yan. I-slice na lang. Kunan na lang. Magkuha na lang tayo dun. Tapos, lagay sa oven. Rakas, where are you na? Let's cook our, kebab. Baka yan yung lunch namin ngayon, kebab. Masarap kasi yun eh. Gusto ko mag-bake ng Spanish bread. Muscle daw Mars. Walang muscle. Meron siya, Mars. Matigas na yung dito ko. Dati, wala talaga to siyang, Mars, muscle. Pero ngayon, lumabas na ang muscle ko. Flix ba? Diba? Yan yung nakukuha ko, Mars. May dumaan nga sa akin na memories dun sa Facebook ko. Hala, yung binubuhat ko pa lang nung first year ko dun sa gym, or last year pa, nasa 3 kilos yung ganyan na workout mga Mars. 3 kilos lang. Samantalang ngayon, kaya ko na mag 6 and then 12 na count. Tapos 4 times ko siya ginagawa. Yun yung isang result na makikita mo pag nag-gym ka. Hindi man sa paningin ng iba na pumayat ka, pero yung lakas mo ba nag-improve. Tuwang-tuwa ako kay hala, 3 kilos. Samantalang ngayon, kaya ko na 6. You have muscle.
You have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Para naman so. Ay, hindi siya masyadong kita dyan sa natin. Kasi ako dito. Diba? Baka sabihin yung maitim yung kilikili ko. Hindi yan maitim, Mars. Aba, yung ating kebab. Still frozen?
It's also a little soft.
It's very big. Okay,
Do something.
I watch.
First of all, you start cleaning that bad smelling pan from outside.
I fried yesterday.
Nah.
I fried yesterday dried fish, that's why.
It smells bad.
Yung pinirituhan ko na tuyo kagabi, Mars. Andun kasi kay sobrang dilim, wala akong masyadong nakita eh. Ngayon, tatapin ko na yung mantika. Lumabas siya dun, amoy tuyo. Wow! Tingnan natin ito. Ang ating kebab. It's still hard. Diba? Kebab tayo, Mars. Not bad. Ang kapal naman ng plastic. So yung kebab pala, binibili lang din nila. Akala ko ginagawa ng mga kebabers. I thought, Rakas, those kebab and pizza restaurant, I thought they make their own kebab. So they just also buy it.
They buy it. Very often they just buy it.
Okay. See, this is for 15 kilos. You don't need to slice it, Rakas.
Huh?
It's so easy.
What is it?
The plastic,
Yeah?
easy to remove.
Yeah.
Ang dalan mo na tanda ng plastic mask. It. Wow! So, ito na pala yun, Mars. Oh,
So,
ang laki. 15 kilos. Na kebab. Ang dami, di ba? Picturean natin. Send ko sa group. Ang laki. Kebab tayo, Mars. Laki, di ba? Yan, slice ni Pars. Dami. This
you
one.
can try different. Yeah, because there is that one.
It's not nice, Rakas.
Yeah. Yeah, too thin.
Too thin. This one.
Mm. Need to find that what I'm looking for. That. This one is dry.
It seems like same.
No, this one cuts much deeper.
Ito kasi yung pang cheese, mga Mars.
But I don't know if this works or not. Or do we need to use a knife? It's not working properly.
So
now.
maybe knife.
It's
Yeah.
so soft.
It is. Even it's still frozen, mga Mars. Kaya knife. Knife is better. Ito ano, kuha tayo ng lagayan. Tapos may salad tayo dyan, Mars. Oh, see? Not bad. And we have salad there. Ito yung ating ano
No.
ngayon. Oh, not bad. I think that one is
Yeah, it
perfect.
is. Because when it melts, it goes even more thinner.
Oh, it's so big.
It's so big.
Wow. Very nice. Let's hope it's tasty, but I'm sure it's tasty, you know. Smell kebab. That's why if you order kebab, it's so fast. Because it's already cooked.
Raw.
Hinahanap niya yung glove. Kasi, mag-glove siya kasi sobrang lamig, mga Mars.
So cold.
It's so cold. And put that.
Of course.
It's not yet melt, Raka. Huh? It's not yet melt.
What is?
Okay ba?
Didn't you try it?
So, no, again. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Too thick.
So thick.
I need to take smaller glove.
Yeah. Meron kasi kaming ganito. Oh. Tapos yung ginamit niya sobrang kapal. Oh. Let's hope it's work. It's perfect. Like that. Ayan. So that's our lunch today. Kebab.
Chicken is better.
Yeah.
On my mind too.
It's more healthy.
Yeah. More
So-
tasty.
Si Pars ang Mars, slice doon. Ako lipat ko dito. So we can give Mom. If she wants. Yeah. But I'm scared of the knife. I'm scared. Don't me.
She ran into my knife 5 times.
Don't kill me. Oh. Yeah, you just drop it there and
Yeah.
spark it. Ay, nako, nahulog. So they just put even the skin?
It looks like, yeah,
There is the skin.
it is.
May skin pala to, to mga Mars, oh. Surprise, surprise. So that ayonin
It
kuiva.
will give rasva.
Yeah.
Fats.
Oh my God. So, I wonder that kebab place, how long they sell in what? In one tube of that kebab, you know?
I don't know.
Because they cannot sell that in one day.
No.
So, init lang pala sila ng init nito, Mars, yung nabibili natin sa mga tindahan. Kasi ayan, oh, ang laki niyan. Yung nakikita ko sa tindahan, yung nakatayo talaga na oven nila. Tapos, ang laki. Ha?
Me, I was just looking, is this cooked? But of course it is, because you already have that fats
Mm.
and fluids. And there was like, you need to heat it to
Ah,
80 degrees.
yeah,
And then it's ready.
yeah, I think it's, hot cook.
Twist it a little. Turn it. You have 2 gloves. Okay.
Other side. This is the heavy part. Whoa! Ayan mga Mars. Sabayan nyo kami mag-slice nitong kebab natin. Ooh la la! Kebab party!
You got going on.
Kebab!
You got that all.
Kebab.
I said kebab. You eat kebab, right?
No.
No, you like kebab. Magsiliparan na itong ibang mga meat. Ayan o. Better pala yung Mars Cuchillo. Kumpara nitong naisipan ni Pars. Kasi yung sa sausage, ito yung ginamit niya. Oh. There's still one of the tracas.
This one is enough.
So 30 kilos if I
Yeah.
if I take that other
30
one.
kilos of kebab.
Mahal din kaya to, Mars. Yung nabili namin 1 kilo dun sa Lidl worth of 9 euro. Rakas, no? That from Lidl kebab
Yeah.
worth of 9 euro.
No.
990,
I think.
Yo,
Like
1
10
kilo.
Yeah.
And it's so small. Mahal kasi to eh. Ayan. May pakibab si Mr. Bean. Oh, magta-try na si Pars mga Mars na ilagay dun sa
Frozen kebab.
ating air fryer. Oh, try it. Okay, maybe that's enough. At ako naman dito, Mars, na plastic ko na yung iba. Kaya frozen pa siya ba? Ooh. Yan. Tapos ang plano namin ni Pars kay i-ano to Mars, ilagay sa oven ng buo. Kakat niya, tapos ilagay sa oven. Okay, siguro to. Ayan. Ayan mga Mars. Lamig. Nag-iisip pa si Pars kung paano niya ikat.
Let's try.
Try to...
Let's try and try to learn.
You use the saka?
I don't know yet. Let's see what comes now here. How it is after this.
Okay. So you want to see first?
I want to
after
see
cook.
first how it is the best way to cook it. If that works, it's fine. If not, then we need to cut it and put it in the oven.
I was thinking also, we cut it like small, and then when we want, we put it there. Small. If we are able to cut this, I
The
think,
small is like half.
yung kasi parang mayroon siyang metal sa loob, Mars. Ito, oh. This is not metal, Rakas.
Yeah.
It's like that, very hard. Like saying,
Carbon?
yes.
Yeah, okay.
Kasi ano siya, oh. Kala ko metal, hindi pala. So, mas easy siya. Cut. Let's see, let's see. So, ito, ayusin muna natin ito. Sinin ko dun sa group chat. Kung gusto nila, Mars,
Let's see.
kukunin ko yung natira doon na kebab. Okay, frozen pa man yun. Pwede kong ilagay muna dyan sa labas ba. Nanghihinayang lang talaga ako kasi kung kukunin ko siya dito, and then, ito na nga, nagka-problema na nga kami, Mars, saan namin ilalagay kasi ang laki niya. Alam nyo naman yung freezer namin, maliit. So, pag na-perfect namin yan na i-cut, okay, ano natin, Mars, balikan ko yung andun sa Mr. Bean. And then, of course, isi-share natin ito. Kaya nga minsan, pag walang tumanggap, nanghihinayang ako, Mars, na hindi kunin ba. Kung meron lang sana akong malaking freezer, hindi. Kaya ko na ilagay lahat dun. Baka panghinayang, di ba? Hindi ko kasi nung kinuha ko yung isa, umuwi ako ng bahay. Kasayang ng isa dun. Pabigay ko na lang po sa mga girls kung may gusto. Ilagay lang naman to sa oven mga Mars. Kakat ng G-Pars. Yun. Magbalot na ako nito. He looks so serious cutting there. You know. It work?
Because
It's so small.
yeah, I know, and this is too long that blade to my saw,
Mm?
so we don't have the proper handle.
Hey, it seems like this is work. See?
Let's try.
Or this metal. Maybe this
I
stainless.
think this is more sharp. I think. This one.
Nagkabiba na kami nito, Mark.
Oh, it goes so softly, easy, very easy. Now we are in the
Perfect.
middle.
Not bad.
There is that tube. Turn it.
Wait, I need to use gloves.
Of course.
Gloves. Okay. Where's my other gloves?
More action.
No, it's crack-crackas.
Like that.
Ooh. See?
Yeah, we will put that to the oven.
Now, all of this?
Now, no, tall. It fits only that part. Big one. Let's try. It will take hours.
Slow cook.
Slow cook.
Maybe like this,
Many
oh.
hours.
Like just
No, the big one.
the big one. Okay. And we save this.
Yeah, we can put it like. I think that might fit our fridge.
Yeah. So ito, we will cook this and give it. We share that mga Mars kay problema na si Pars. Paano ilagay ito sa freezer namin. Pero ito, ibabalot ko siya kay kasya na yan. Hindi na kasi maganda ngayon Mars kay weather natin kay 0 na. So sa labas, hindi na magstay yung frozen doon. So, niyaya ko yung mga girls kung gusto nila pumunta dito ngayon. Okay, kakain kami ng kebab.
Yeah, okay. Let's try.
Okay,
Experiment.
I'll take the other one from there.
How many kilos left?
15 kilos.
Let's
At
remove
least,
the
no, I don't
paper.
know how many kilos.
Oh, it's still plenty. I'm sure it's like 10.
Careful. Ayun ang mga Mars. Ayun. It's like a lechon rakas.
It is like a big lechon. It is.
Ayan. You did not preheat it. Ah, automatic.
It will cost you.
Ah, ayan.
125.
125. So, how long we will
It
cook
will
that?
be there hours.
Ah, tapos ito, Mars. Yan ko yan.
And at some point,
Hmm?
you need to add this meter in the close to the needle.
Okay.
We need to see that inside temperature is at least 80 degrees.
Ah, not now.
Not now because it's frozen.
I need help for this. I will wrap that. Babalot natin ito, Mars. Like that. Now we still have uncooked kebab. How long?
Lift it up
How long that kebab there?
in the oven.
Yeah,
No, I'm sure at something like 8 hours probably.
8 hours.
8, 10 hours. That's my guess.
Okay. Ayan. Ito. It's fit now.
Where is the cardboard?
Ulit.
Ayun.
Ulit. Ayan. May buo pa tayong kebab, mga Mars. Ito. How's it?
It's not looking so. It's like you really need to work plenty. See? It looks like there have those raw pieces.
Yeah.
That's why I want to make that in the oven.
Ah, like really cook because
Really cook and then slice.
preheat lang kasi yan siya, Mars. Preheat. Half cook siya ba? May luto, may hilaw. So gusto ni Pars, lutuin mo na lahat
It
yun.
takes long time.
Oh. Apusin.
Nyt voit laittaa pussiin. Pussiin tai pakastiin.
Pakasin. Ito mga Mars, ito yung hiniwa namin. Ito yung dadalhin ko sa Banta. Tapos ito, mamaya pagpupunta yung ibang girls, bibigay ko din yan. Tapos meron pa akong lulutuin doon. And then yung natira, yun yung isi-save namin. So ito lang. Ganito lang siya ka laki. Kaya kong i-save ngayon sa freezer namin. Meron pa yung isa doon, Mars, para sa amin din. Sayang, di ba? Meron pa yung malaking freezer. Kasi kung bibili din kami ng malaking freezer, Mars, wala kaming paglalagyan dito. Kaya, pag lumipat kami ng bahay, doon kami bibili ng malaking freezer. Yung same sa freezer ni Ate Julie. Luto na ang kebab ni Pars. I like it, Rakas.
It is tasty.
Tasty. Yun yun. Para ka lang din nagpunta ng kebab area or kebab restaurant. It's
Oy, sorry.
tasty with sauce.
It is.
Ang sarap. Oh. Now we have a lot of kebab.
Yes, we do.
The girls will come here.
When?
Something 3 o'clock.
Yeah, okay.
I invite
I'm
them.
already at work.
Yeah. I invited them
Yeah.
to eat with the kebab. Pero mga mas, lutuin ko yan para sa mga girls at gawa ako ng Spanish bread. Nagbisi ang Maring Queenie at yung aming kebab ay nandyan siya, Mars, sa oven natin at Habang yung ating kebab ay niluluto dyan, nagano ako, Mars, nagpatubo ng Spanish bread. Uy, ang ganda naman. Uy. Akala ko hindi tumubo yung aking dough. So, na-realize ko, medyo malamig pala dito sa loob ng bahay namin, Mars. Kaya yung aking dough ay hindi siya tumubo. Nilagay ko dun sa storage namin kasi usually dyan ako naglalagay ng dough pag gumagawa ako nito, Mars. Ito na lang talaga naalala ko na malamig pala ngayon. So, ang ginawa ko, dahil yung aming oven ay mainit, so doon ko nilagay yung dough ko na ginawa. At after 1 hour, tumubo siya dyan, Mars. Kasi mainit. Malinis po itong lamesa, Mars, ha. Pinunasan ko to ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi dito ako babalot ng aking Spanish bread. Uy, ang ganda ng pagkatubo. Ayan. What's that, Mac?
Oreo.
Oreo. I'll bake Mama bread. Can you give me knife, Mac? Normal knife. Ano natin to? Bilog-bilog. Madami ito ba?
What is a normal knife?
What we use for eating.
Oh, yeah.
Yo. Kala ko talaga hindi perfect yung aking dough. Hindi man tumubo.
Like this?
Yes. Thank you. Liitin lang natin yung ating dough. Para madami tayong magawa. Yung maliit, Mars ba? Bakit parang mainit? Mainit. Umalis na si Pars kasi meron siyang work ngayon. I don't know tomorrow if work ba siya or day off. Pero ako, mahaba-haba yung day off namin ni Mixo dahil nga sa antibiotic niya. Ang binigay ba naman na sick leave certificate sa akin, Mars, ay good for 1 week. Diyos ko, kinabahan talaga ako kay baka yung boss ko ba na bakit puro ka na lang sick leave. Sabi ni Pars, pag nagreklamo daw, ano gagawin natin? Hindi naman yan siya yung gawa-gawa lang na may sakit yung anak namin. Nagpunta naman talaga kami ng doktor at doon talaga sa emergency. Kaya sabi ni Pars, hayaan mo kung magyaw-yaw daw yung boss namin, Mars. Kaya siya din minsan, magyaw-yaw din yung mga boss nila. Kasi, hindi mo naman talaga maiwasan na magkasakit yung mga anak namin, di ba? Masyadong malaki yung ating tinapay. Ay, hindi ko na ni-measure to, Mars. Dati, ni-measure ko man good to ba? Hindi man din magkatugma, Mars. Hayaan ko na lang. May malaki, may maliit. At dahil yung kebab ay nasa oven pa, tanggalin ko muna doon pag ilagay ko na tong Spanish bread. Namiss ko lang gumawa nito, Mars. Para may tinapay kami dito ba? Na ganito. Madami pala yung recipe na nakita ko. Kaya almost 2 years na ako di gumawa ng bread ba. Ngayon, nag-bake si Maring Queenie. Wala kasi akong magawa, Mars. Kaya ayan. Bored lang ang Maring Queenie nyo. Dito sa loob ng bahay. Tapos siguro bukas maglilinis ako dito. Kahapon lang din kay Puyat. Alaga kay Mixo. So wala. Nagpahinga ako kahapon, Mars. In fairness, madami yung aking magawa ngayon. Tutupusin ko lang to. Hanggang mamaya magro-roll na ako para sa ating Spanish bread. In fairness, yung aking Spanish bread kay perfect siya mga Mars. Malambot siya, hindi yung matigas na bread. Kaya hirap kasi maghanap ng perfect na flour dito sa Finland. Yung hindi titigas ba? Kay dati yung first na bake ko dito ng tinapay, lalo na itong Spanish bread, mga Mars. In parcel. Kinabukasan, matigas na yung tinapay. Pero ito ngayon, kay perfect na perfect. Ang lambot. Okay, alam ko na kung ano yung flour na gagamitin ko next time. Pag gusto ko ng tinapay. Nagustuhan din ni Mixo. Una, tinikman niya. Sabi niya, I don't like it, mama. Tapos, kinain niya din yung whole Spanish bread. Tumawa lang siya sa akin. Tinignan ko. Sabi mo pa ha, ayaw mo. Tapos ang ending, gustuhan mo din pala. Meron akong ginawa dito. Itong bilog-bilog mga Mars. Ang palaman nito kay vanilla cream. Hindi ko masyadong type na yun ang ginawa kong feeling. Next time, gawa ako ng chocolate bread. Alam niyo po yun mga Mars. Instead na Spanish bread, papalamanan natin ng chocolate. Gawin ko yun siya next time. Pero, next time na. So, ayan. May fresh na tinapay na kami. At hindi siya masyadong matamis. Ibahin ko alam itong bilog-bilog. Uy, ilang days kaya yan magtatagal na hindi titigas. Sana matagal Mars. Para sulit. Ang ganda naman nito. Freezer bag. Kaya meron siyang 1 liter, 2.5, and 3 liters. Nasa isang pack na siya ba? Hindi yung isa-isa ang bilhin mo na liter. Mas maganda pala yan kasi tatlo. Ayan. Hindi nakapunta yung mga girls dito, Mars, kay busy ang mga person. Nag-ano daw sila? Lini, si Rosalie. And then, sila namin, nagpatulog ng bata. Okay, maglilinis na ako. Grabe yung kalat ko na ginawa dito. Habang si Mixo doon ay nag-chill-chill lang. It's medicine time. Ano man nangyari dito sa buhok ko eh? Sabi pa ni Mixo, Mama, what happened to your ear? It's look like explosion daw. Tama ko yung buhok natin. Hoy, grabe man mo ka, ano?
What? You don't like my hair?
No, you're, ano oh,
Sweaty?
sweaty.
I'm sweating.
You need to change your clothes ha before we sleep.
Why?
Punasan ko ito mamaya mga Mars. Ah, I think you can take shower now.
No.
Yes. Say hi mga Mars.
Hi, Mara Snake.
Hi mga snake. Unsa daw?
Hi, Mara Snake.
You kiss Mars in part like this. Don't do that. Big boy na talaga siya, Mars. Hindi na siya mauto-uto ba? Hindi gaya dati na yung baby
This
pa
is how the
siya.
medicine looks.
Maliit pa lang ba?
Disgusting.
Oh, kulit-kulit pa.
Disgusting medicine.
You don't like it?
No.
Iba kasi
Here's
lasa
the
nito.
sprinkles.
Oh,
Everybody eats
yan natin.
sprinkles.
Gamot
It's
to,
good.
maliit na bata.
This is
para
disgusting
mawala.
what he's putting.
Eh, kailangan niya
It
ubusin tong
That's how I put it.
antibiotic. Oh. You're
I got it. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
Oh, not yummy?
No.
What is the taste? Sweet or
It smells like a sandwich is in porridge and a big old snake inside the sock. It smells like that.
Unsa daw?
It's funny.
Unsa daw? Pinagsasabi mong socks. Naintindihan ko lang doon mga Mars. Socks?
Yes. It smells like socks.
It smells like socks. Katawanan man kamikso, oy. Nailagay ko na pala yung ating mga tinapay dito, Mars, in fairness. Ay, ayan, Mars, oh.
TV.
In fairness, soft na soft yung aking
Mama, look
Spanish
at the
bread.
TV.
Ha?
Look at the TV.
What happened to my TV? Oh, yan.
Oh.
Kaya lang, medyo sunog. But, doesn't matter.
Look at the TV.
Ang importante kay,
Look at the TV.
yung loob mga Mars, hindi siya sunog. What's that? Wait, I need to wash this kay later. At konti na lang, maluluto na yung aking kebab. Kailangan dapat ito 79. Sa 71 pa tayo. Yan yung ating kebab dyan sa loob. And after that, pwede na nating i-slice ng maliit tapos ilagay sa ating freezer. Laoy, katawanan mo na akong buhok. Uy.
Look at the TV.
Ha? Kagabi kasi to, naligo ako ba? And then, hindi ako nagsuklay. Kaya antok na ako eh. Gusto ko lang maligo. Eh. Nararamdaman ko na yung buhok ko na
Look at the TV.
oily na.
Yan na.
Oh, a snake killer. What's that? Why there is a snake killer? Ang dagway, oh.
Sorry.
Namayat
I
sa
might
mga
have
Mars.
knocked the remote control.
Oy, mayat maning maliit na bata. Tumaba na sana.
Sorry.
Lumiit na naman. Ano
Sorry.
naman?
Sorry.
Who's hiding? Who's hiding? Wah!
No, Mom.
Bored na to siya, Mars. Gusto makipaglaro sa akin. Naglalaro kami. Kaya pinagpapawisan. Wah! Where's the baby? Where's the baby? The baby is there! The baby is hiding!
No.
Wah! Wah! Okay, enough na. You are so sweat na. Okay na. Later in the take shower. Okay, ha?
Okay.
Okay, grabe, oh. Pinagpawisan, kakatakbo niya kanina. Habol-habol ko kasi siya, eh. Sabi niya, gusto niya maghabulan kami. Di, hinabol ko din siya.